Welcome to Code with Golam Rabby. Today I'm going to show you how to download, install and set up code blocks on Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. At first you have to go to any of your browsers. I'm selecting Chrome this time. Go to the search bar and type code blocks. Hit the enter button. You will see many suggestions, but select the first one. So this is the official home page of code blocks. Go to downloads. You will see three options there to download code blocks. You have to select the first one, download the binary release. Now you have to select your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll click on this. If you are using Linux or macOS, click your respective link. So I'm clicking on this. You'll see an interface like this. There are a lot of files to download, but make sure that you download this file, the MinGW setup executable file. Okay, so you have to download this file to run your C or C++ code. Now you can download this file from these two sources. So click any of the source you want. I will be downloading from sourceforge.net. Just click on it. Your download will start. Okay, it may take some time depending on your internet speed, but I have already downloaded this file, so I will not going to download it again. You have to wait for some time to finish the download. After you have finished your download, go to your PC, then go to downloads. You will see a file like code blocks MinGW setup executable file. Okay, double click on this. So it will start the installation process. A window like this will pop up. Click next. You have to agree with the license policy they have made. Click the I agree. Make sure that you have selected everyone. Go to next. This is the destination folder. You can change it by browsing, but I will leave everything as default. I suggest you also to leave everything as default if you have no good reason to change it. So click install. It will start installing. Wait for the installation to complete. A window like this will pop up. So it is telling that do you want to run code blocks now? Click no. Click next and click finish. Then double click on this. So your code blocks is starting. It may take some time at the first time when you will open the code blocks. Now it is telling that your compiler is auto detected. Okay, now this is the interface of code blocks. Another notification has come. Click it OK. So now we can see this is the main interface of code blocks. So there is a lot of functions for you. You can create any project by clicking here, and you can open an existing project by clicking here, tip of the day by clicking here.